Welcome back to Wowzers! This is Jess, and today's video will be a little bit different. I'd like to show you what Wowzers looks like from a student's point of view. When a student logs in for the first time, they're introduced to the world of Wowzers. The characters they'll become familiar with welcome them to the program, and they're asked to create their avatar. Right now, they don't have a ton of options for their clothing and accessories, but they'll be able to buy many more options later on as they earn coins from completing the curriculum. As a reminder, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade students don't create an avatar. Their exploration in Wowzers is a little simpler, and they instead control a magical flying creature named Kelpie. After this introduction, the student jumps straight into the curriculum. If you assign them the pre-assessment as the first activity, they'll start that. Otherwise, they'll begin the first activity of whichever grade of curriculum you assign them to. After they finish the first day of curriculum, the students enter the virtual mall where they can spend the coins they've earned so far. Each of these shops sells something specific, such as clothing and accessories for the student's avatar, or decorations and furniture for their BuzzPod. They'll spend however long you set in their preferences before moving on, or they can choose to move to the next activity whenever they're ready. If you instead assign students to the test prep activity, when they log in, they're immediately taken to the assessment instead. They'll continue to answer test prep questions until they choose to return to their regular curriculum. At that point, they're taken right back to what they were working on before. In between activities, students have the option to view their report card. This allows them to see what they've worked on recently, as well as their score on each section. This way, they can see their progress and get an idea of how they're doing. Remember that although you can't play Wowzers as a student, you can view any of the activities just like your students see them. Click your name, go to the curriculum page, and then browse through the curriculum. When you find an activity you'd like to preview, just click the eyeball icon. When you're done, click outside the window and you're back in the curriculum view. Okay, now you have a better idea of what Wowzers looks and feels like for a student. Thanks so much for tuning in for this video, and I'll see you next time.